Hey, welcome to the NETGEAR booth, ISE 2025. 9 years ago, NETGEAR arrived from Planet IT at Planet AV to talk about doing audio and video over a network. So we said we come in peace. We want to help you make deploying AV over IP easier. We do that with manufacturers from the AV space and from the broadcast space, and all of them work with NETGEAR to test their solutions running on NETGEAR switches. And what we do is create the settings necessary for those products to work really well. And once we have those settings done, we freeze them in a profile. So if you use NETGEAR switches for your AV deployments, and you have a certain manufacturer, and for example NDI, we have tested, created an NDI profile, and once you connect your NDI devices to the switch, you select the profile, you are done. Everything's configured, everything works smoothly according to the specifications of NDI. Now, we do this with many manufacturers actually. We work with 370 manufacturers now. Many of them are here at the ISE show. 200 of these manufacturers here at ISE have our switches on their booth and are using them for their demo. Now, whether you're in audio or video, live events, streaming, broadcasting, our switches have the configuration that you need to be able to quickly set up and start producing. Whether that's a fixed installation that you want to set up once, you can do that really quickly, or you have a setup where you have to go somewhere and do this every day in a live environment. These switches can do that. A couple of highlights on the switches besides the profiles are the fact that when you connect them together, they see each other and automatically make the link aggregation connections that you would need, so that's automated. We have software which is for free called Engage, and with Engage you cannot just manage one switch, you can manage a whole stack of switches or even an entire site. As long as these switches are connected in this network, the Engage controller software will see them and make sure that everything is configured correctly. Now, for example, if you have 10 switches doing Dante audio, you select the Dante profile and it will deploy through this software to all the 10 switches at once. So it really saves you a lot of time configuring, and also the configuration is right because we tested this together with Dante. So whatever protocol you run that's AV over IP, the NETGEAR switches will help you. The last edition is SMPTE 2110, we support that as well. And what we actually demo at the booth here today is a combination of a clocked network doing SMPTE 2110 with a master clock and a bunch of switches under that are following. And that means you can do a hybrid environment, which is part broadcast and part of it, let's say, more commercial AV, non-clocked. And that helps you doing things like enterprise studios or a broadcast studio in a university, or maybe an environment where there is local audio video, but there's also a stream going outside. So you can connect with Planet IT, Planet Commercial Audio Video, and Planet Broadcast. So we show that here also with an IPMX demo. It's another upcoming trend. So take the chance to come look, and if it's after ISE, go to netgear.com/AV to learn more. Thank you very much.